Big decisions tonight. To Shanky Lee or to not Shanky Lee? To Shanky Lee or to not Shanky Lee? Oh, to Shanky Lee or to not Shanky Lee? I don't know. To Shanky Lee or to not Shanky Lee? To Shanky Lee or to not Shanky Lee? I just don't. Oh, fuck it. I'll just have some toast.
J'avoue, j'en ai bavé pour vous, mon amour. Avant d'avoir eu
Lovely toast. Oh, what to do now? Maybe a bit of guitar practice. Yeah, a bit of guitar practice. That could be quite relaxing. It's alright.
God damn it, Chris.
What, that's gay?
No, I was having a come up and scare you.
Oh.
You know what?